Hello everyone, welcome to Business Education and Research. In this video, we are going to explain how to apply structural equation model using WarpPLS 8th version software, particularly with moderating variables. So this is the main menu of the software. Once you click the software, WarpPLS 8th version software, this window will appear. In this, we are going to click Proceed to use software. Now you have the next window wherein you have 5 steps. Proceed to step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and finally you can see the results and the last step. So let us start with step 1. Proceed to step 1. Click here. You have some guidelines on the left hand side. Now you have two options on the right side: open project file, create project file. If you already created one project file, you can open it. Otherwise, you can create new project file. I'm going to create new project file. Now it is asking the location of the file where we have stored the data file. I select desktop, and in desktop I will select the folder in which I have saved my data collection file. And I have to click save as a type here. So let me select all files wherein the Excel file is appearing. Please note that as I have already explained in the previous videos, we are supposed to prefix the file name, Excel file name, as PRJ. Then only WarpPLS 8th version software will upload your file to the software. So therefore, you have to put PRJ before the file name. PRJ. PRJ customer satisfaction. That is name of my file. Save. Now project file created successfully. So I click OK here. So step 1 is finished. Let me go to step 2. Proceed to step 2. Step 2 guidelines are given on the left side. Now on the right side you have two menus, read from file and read from clipboard. Let me click read from file because I have uploaded the file. Now again it is asking the location, but the folder location is selected by the software by default. Now just I have to click the files of type. Here, since it is Excel file, I select all files. So again the PRJ customer satisfaction, same file, same data file you have to upload. Again open. The file import wizard will shortly appear. Do not select any options other than next and finish in the wizard. So the software is giving step-by-step guidelines. So click OK. Let me wait for 2-3 seconds. It is processing actually. So yeah, now creating preview is appearing. Let us wait for 2-3 seconds. So next, I should click next here, then click finish here. Done. So now the table is showing raw data. So click OK. And does the data looks correct? The software is asking whether the data is looking correct. I click yes here. Now raw data file successfully read by the software. I click OK. So step 2 is finished. Now I will go to step 3. Step 3 is basically pre-processing data. So what is done under pre-processing data is given as explanation on the left side. You can go through and try to understand. Let me click pre-processing data. Now the pre-processing is underway. Yes, the step by step is explained here. So now all columns are standardized now. So what is going to be done under this step is basically standardization of data. Click OK. Now click again OK. So does the data look correct? Click yes. Done. Step 3 is done. Now I'm going to step 4. In step 4, we are going to define the structural equation model. So click. Now this window is appearing. So here basically you are supposed to create model for your research based on review of literature. For example, before that let me see the data file here. So this is my survey data file collected through Google survey, converted into 4-point scale. For example, customer satisfaction is measured on 4-point scale. Let us say highly satisfied, satisfied, and dissatisfied, highly dissatisfied. So how the customer is satisfaction level is satisfied, there are many variables. Okay. So let us say features of the product is one of the important variable. So features of the product is measured with the help of indicators. For example, the features of the product is influencing customer satisfaction. So this is a major question called construct. So under these major questions, you have sub questions called indicators. So therefore, features of the product is going to influence the customer satisfaction. Similarly, design of the product will influence the customer satisfaction. And design, for example, design is given here. Yeah, you can see now. The features have 4 sub questions: 1, 2, 3, 4. And similarly, design of the product also is taken as a major question, that is construct. Under these major questions, you have 4 sub questions, that is called indicators. Okay. Similarly, technical features of the product influences customer satisfaction. Technical features is major question, that is construct. Under these major questions, you have 4 sub questions: 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, quality of the product is also is another construct. Under this construct, we have 4 indicators, 4 sub-questions. Like this, usage is another major question. Service features is another major question. Offers and promotions is also another question. Let us say discounts offered by the company. In what way discounts and offers influences customer satisfaction, right? Then age of the customer. Age is basically the moderating variables. How age is going to influence the customer satisfaction as a moderating variable. Similarly, education level of the customer is also taken as moderating variables. So based on literature survey, the questionnaire has been developed, the model has been developed. For example, the overall customer satisfaction of the particular product is influenced by various major questions like features, design, technical features, quality, usage level of the product, service, service arrangements by the company, offers and discounts, and age and education are taken as moderating variables. So therefore, customer satisfaction is the dependent variable that is measured by so many major questions, but attitude of the customer is taken as like a mediator, for example. So the customer satisfaction is measured, I mean, it is influenced by various major questions, say construct through attitude of the customer. The idea of the model is these various features of the products, services, technical features, major questions will influence directly the customer satisfaction and indirectly through attitude of the customer. In what way attitude of the customer about the product is influenced by these factors, and in what way these factors influences customer satisfaction directly. So how these various construct influences customer satisfaction directly and indirectly through attitude. Okay, this is the model. Let us see. Now I come back to this step. We are going to create model. So in this window, there are 4 options: model options, latent variable option, direct linked option, and moderating link options. I'm going to select latent variable option. Latent variable is construct, major question. So here, create latent variable. Then when I come to the white space, I bring the cursor here, click here. This is very important step. So what is the first one? major questions, dependent variable, satisfaction of the customer. Satisfaction. I type as satisfaction. Now under satisfaction, you have only one uh, questions item. I click. So it says a latent variable, that is the construct, name cannot be longer than 8 characters. So therefore, if you type full name of the construct, it cannot take latent variable as a full name. It takes only 8 characters. I click OK. Okay. Now I click add. So it has come here. I click save, save latent variable settings. This is come here. As already said, this is the ultimate target variable, that is dependent variable. Satisfaction of the customer is coming on the right side. I bring it here. Then I go back to latent variable, click latent variable, click here. I bring attitude as next item. I type full name, but it will not accept. Yes, it has only 8 letters, so it accept. I save here. Yes, the latent variable is coming here as mediating variable. Okay. Next, I come back, create latent variable, click here. I remove this default name. I say features, features of the product, features of the product. I can type it in capital letter, no problem. Features. I click here. How many sub questions? How many indicators I have? 4. Click, click, click. 4 item has come. I click save here. Save latent variable setting. Features is appearing here. Now I click latent variable, create latent variable. Click here. Now design, design of the product. Click, 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 click. 4 times. I click save, save latent variable setting. I click here. So bring the cursor on the white space again. Click, then go to latent variable options. Click, click latent variable. Now technical features. I say technical as the major questions. Say it says it cannot accept more than 8 characters. Click OK. Add, 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 add. 4 items are added. 4 indicators are added. Click save. Click save latent variable settings. So this is appearing here. You can move as you like. Here I move. Then I go to latent variable options again. Create. Click here. Quality. Say I type quality. Add, add, add. Because 4 sub questions are there for quality. I take only that questions. Once I bring all 4 items, 4 indicators, 4 sub questions relating to this construct quality on the left side. I go to save, click save latent variable settings. It has come here. Okay, let it be here. Let it be here. Now I go back to latent variable right here, because there are many variables in this model. Usage. I say usage in capital letter. How many indicators? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sub questions per usage. I click add, 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 add. Save, save latent variable settings. Usage has come here. So I bring it here. Then latent variable, create latent variable. Service. Service. I type, click 1, 2, 3, 4. As service is coming here. I will adjust. You can place anywhere according to availability of space. Now I go to latent variable again, create. I think offers is there. Offers, click 1, 2, 3, 4. Save settings. Offers is coming here. Okay. You have to leave enough space, then only you can see the results later. If you put it in a congested form, you cannot see the values clearly. So better leave enough space. Maybe yes, I can bring it here. I can bring it here. I can bring this here. And bring, yes. Okay. Okay. Now I click latent variable again. Create latent variables. What is left here? Age we are going to fix it as moderating variable. So I type it age here as usual. Click 1, 2, 3, 4 categories of age. I classified age into 4 categories. For example, up to 25, then 20, above 25, less than 35. Like that, you create 4 stages of respondent age classification. So I click yes. Age is coming here. Okay, let it be here. Then one more time, the last latent variable, that is education. Education of the customers. How education of the customers influences customer satisfaction. So I click, it says it is more than 8 characters, so it cut short. Okay, no problem. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, plus. Save. Yes. Education and age, I put it here. Okay, you can bring it here. Attitude. Okay. Now we are going to link the variables. There are two types of link appearing. One is direct link options. Second one is moderating link options. So in this model, we are going to consider features, design, technical features, service facilities, offers and discounts, quality of the products, and usage, customers' perception about usage. All these are considered as independent variables which influences the customer's attitude towards the product directly, and these variables directly influences customer satisfaction. So we are going to find out how these variables are directly influencing customer satisfaction and attitude, and how it affects the customer satisfaction through attitude. Okay, then we are going to fix age of the customers and education level of the customers as moderating variables. So therefore, age and education, we will select moderating link option. For other variables, we are going to select direct link options. Let us fix direct link option first. I click direct link options, create direct link. So I select features, click features, then click customer satisfaction. Arrow mark is appearing here. Link is created. Similarly, I go back to direct link options, click create link, again click features, connect to attitude. Then click direct link option, design and satisfaction, click direct options, design and attitude. Direct link options, create link, technical features, attitude, click technical features and satisfaction. I am linking all the variables directly to attitude and directly to satisfaction. Service to attitude. Then direct link, again click service, go to satisfaction. Direct link, click, select create link, offers, click attitude. Click direct link, click create link, offers and satisfaction. Direct link, create link, quality and satisfaction. Then create link, usage, click attitude, connected. Now create direct link, usage, satisfaction, connected. Create direct link, create link. Now I am going to connect attitude to satisfaction. So now you can see all the variables, independent variables, are connected directly to attitude and directly connected to satisfaction. And at the end, ultimately, the attitude itself is directly connected with satisfaction. So the model says all the independent variables influences customer satisfaction and influences attitude. It means all these variables directly influences customer satisfaction, and through attitude it influences customer satisfaction. This is the conceptual model of the study. As already said, we are going to focus now on moderating link options. So I have created direct link by selecting direct link options and clicking the individual variable and clicking attitude, clicking satisfaction one by one. Now I am going to click moderating variable because age and education are considered as moderating variable. So create moderate link option, click age and click this line which is connecting the attitude and the satisfaction. You are not going to link attitude or satisfaction, but you are going to link with the attitude. Similarly, attitude link. Next, again, click moderating option, create moderating option link, usage, and click the line which is connecting attitude and satisfaction. So this is not the correct one. Let me correct a mistake. If you make any mistakes, you can easily correct. Go to moderating link, delete moderating link, and this. If you click the line, that is gone. So I again go to moderating link, click moderating link, connect education to this line. So therefore, features, design, technical specifications of the product, service facility offered by the company, offers and discounts, quality of the products, usage level of the products, customers' perception about usage, how the product is useful for them, maybe easiness of use, convenience, etc. Right? How these independent variables influences satisfaction directly and attitude directly, meaning how these independent variables directly influence our satisfaction, and through attitude how they are influencing customer satisfaction. And age of the customers and the education level of the customers, they are not directly influencing customer satisfaction or attitude, but it affect the relationship between attitude and satisfaction. So it is acting as moderating variables. So all these relationships are moderated by the two important factors, namely age of the customers and education level of the customers. So this is how you create structural equation modeling using WarpPLS software, particularly with moderating variables, how to connect moderating link. This is done now. So I go to model options again, click save model and close. Now the model is successfully closed. Okay. Yes, model is closed now. Now the last step. Proceed to step 5. Perform SEM analysis. The last step. Perform SES analysis. Yes, it is done now. So this is the results. How these independent variables influences the satisfaction directly and through attitude is measured in terms of the beta value and p value. As you are aware, if p value is less than 0.05, you can say there is a significance impact. Most of the variables p-value is less than 0.05. For example, usage level and quality of the products and offers and service facilities, technical features of the product, design of the product, features of the product, and features of the products are having less than 0.05, particularly when come to attitude. You can check the p-values and beta values, and you can you can decide which hypothesis to be accepted, which is to be rejected. And see, attitude is influenced by various factors, and ultimately attitude is influencing the satisfaction of the customers. The p-value is 0.16 and the p-value is less than 0.05 and beta value is 0.16. Now come back to the moderating variables, age. The influence of age as moderating variables is given here. P-value is less than 0.05, that is 0.02 is less than 0.05. Beta value is also very high, that is 0.35. Similarly, the education is also given here. This value, beta value, sorry, P-value is all P-value, I think it is 0.2. So it is more than 0.05. So significant impact is not there, but beta value is also insignificant. So therefore, the statistics will tell you whether the relationship is uh, significant or not, whether statistically accepted or not by comparing the actual values with the standard values. Okay, this is how you apply the structural equation modeling with moderating variables. Now you can save the results. For example, save all classical model estimates results. You can save. You can save the all the results. You can say all the results. You can save it, and you can save the model into image also. You can save the model into image also. You can name the model and select the location. You can use it in your research paper. And if you want to see the results for each and every item with its indicators, you can uh, click show the hidden indicators. So all the hidden indicators, for example, technical features have 4 sub questions. The results are available here. So this is also coming. You can see the results. If you don't want to show it here, you can again go show and click, it is disappearing. So this is how you create structural equation modeling with WarpPLS software with moderating results. I will show you how the result is appearing. We selected all results, all results are appearing here. So these results, for example, model fit and quality indices, and the path coefficients values, p-values, and errors, standardized errors or coefficients, effect size of path coefficient, and the loadings, normalized combined loadings, and pattern loadings and cross loadings, and normalized pattern loadings and cross loadings. All the results are given one by one. And based on a literature survey, based on the model article that you are adopting for your research, you can select which type of analysis you are going to consider. Almost all results, you have more than what is required for a research paper is available. You can download the results as all together as all results, or you can select one by one and download in Excel form also. Thank you very much for uh, sparing your valuable time and listening to this video. Thank you very much.